Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to delete any files permanently without using any software in Windows computer. So without any further delay, let's begin. So first of all, let me show you here I have a file. So say if I right click on this file and click on this delete, it will move to the recycle bin. So it's not permanently delete. So how you can delete permanently without sending it to recycle bin? So here I will show different methods how you can do it. So the first method I'll show you is that just select the file which you want to delete, and now in your computer keyboard just press shift delete. Now it will ask you for whether you want to permanently delete this file. So you can see here a message written, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? That means if you press shift delete, then after that it will ask you to confirm yes or no. So when you tap on yes, it will be permanently deleted without sending it to the recycle bin. So you can see it's not being available in the recycle bin. So this is the first process to permanently delete any files in your Windows computer. So the second method is when you just select right click and you click on the delete, it will move to recycle bin. Right now you can fix this issue just by right clicking and select the properties. Now here you will see different types of recycle bin available. So I will choose a C drive. You can choose any one also. You can set for everyone. So here you can see below the default is set on the above. Now if I select this don't move files to recycle bin, remove files immediately when deleted, and click on apply, click on OK. Now when I right click and click on delete, it will directly delete the file. And so let me create one more file here. So the third method, just select the file and on your computer keyboard just press the delete, it will get removed. But for the step 2 and the step 3 process, what you need to do, you need to right click on the recycle bin, and in the properties section you need to turn on this don't move files to recycle bin by selecting respective drives. You can turn on for this for different types. So if you don't want to remove permanently, then you can just set it to the default and click on apply, click on OK. Then when you create a file again, so let me create a file, one file. Now when you right click and click on delete, it will move to the recycle bin as you can see right now. So for the step 2 and 3, you need to follow this step by going to the properties, and you need to turn on to delete permanently. For the first step, you don't need to turn on this process. So in this way you can delete any files permanently without using any software in Windows computer. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then try it out today. And if you like this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.